Hello everyone. This solution is part of the BSF virtual hackathon where the problem statement was how you can increase the saving culture in Saudi Arabia society. So as part of this solution, we have tried to reinventing the wheel and bring the concept of social banking. So in short, social banking is about where the group of individuals pool the amount and then this group can decide how to save or invest the amount at the large scale. So in our use case is about the story of the three young Saudi individuals who heard about the BSF social banking application and they wants to try out what uniquely it offers. So Ali has logged into the social banking application. So he provided now this is the saving account of the Ali and he has a 10,000 riyal in his balance. So what he wants to do is that he wants to create a social account and then he will invite his friend to join this account so that they can start doing the saving or investment. So he can click on the create social account where he given the name of social account, invest minimum 3,000 riyal and he has added his teammates which is Muhammad and Sarah. Now the social account is created. He can go back to his home where the 3,000 has been deducted from his saving account and added into the social account. So now we can see that Ali has joined. The request is pending with the Sarah and Muhammad. So he can either share this particular invite using the various communication channel. So he can use the Messenger, Instagram, Twitter or WhatsApp. So let's see one of the application. So he sent his social banking group on Messenger. So where he mentioned that he has created a social account and he asked others to join that particular account. So now the Muhammad and Sarah got to know about this particular thing and they wants to log in and join this particular account. So now Muhammad is logging. So now Muhammad has a 20,000 riyal in his balance and he saw that the social account is already funded by the Ali and he will go to my request where he will join this particular account. So what happens is that once you join, the 3,000 riyal will be withdrawn from your account and added into the social account. So now he is the part of a social account. So now you can see that balance is 6,000 riyal. So 3,000 collected by the Ali and Muhammad. So now the Sarah will log in. So now Sarah has 35,000 riyal in her balance and she saw that Muhammad and Ali has. So now this particular social account is completed and it is equally funded by other three people. So now Sarah is more interested about how to invest or save the money. So she went to the marketplace which is offered by the BSF bank. So where she saw that the Sayyid, one of the requester, he is looking for 6,000 riyal and he will return 8,000 riyal after 3 months. So for them it seems a good investment and that to a small account, small scale. So what Sarah did is that first she shared this particular information on their social banking group, informing that I have this particular plan. So now the message is, so what Sarah can do is that she can add this request in a voting list. So now the request has been added into the voting list where everyone will vote for that particular request and if everyone voted then the money will be withdrawn from the social account and given back to this particular startup. So here Sarah has already voted. Now it's time for Muhammad and Ali to vote for a particular request. Now Muhammad has logged in, he went to voting, so he see that Sarah is already voted, he will also vote for that. So now he also voted. Now Ali will log in and also vote so that it is driven by the consensus of the people, so where majority has to agree. So now Ali went and he also did the voting. So now since everyone has voted for the particular request, so now anyone can release the fund. So basically the 6,000 will be deducted from the social account and added into that particular lending request. So now the fund has been released and if Ali go and refresh his application, he can see that 6,000 has been already withdrawn as well as the social marketplace has a balance of 6,000 riyal. So now what happens plan is that since they have invested the amount, what they can do is that they will wait for the money returned by the Syed. So let's assume that after 3 months Syed has logged in. Syed wants to repay his money that was pulled by the social account. He go to his marketplace where he has to pay back the amount. So now he will return 8,000 riyal in the social account, which is managed by the Ali, Sarah and Muhammad. So he paid the money back to them. So now you can see that they have got, earlier they had a 3,000 remain balance, and now they got the 8,000 as a return from the Syed. So now they have a 11,000. So we can see that initially they started with the 3,000 riyal and the balance was 9,000, and they got the 2,000 profit. Now once again they can repeat the cycle where they go to the social marketplace where they land or buy the saving schemes, and they will get the money later on. So apart from this particular solution, what BSF offered is that BSF offered them a social connect where they can inquire or they can connect with the BSF social people who are expert and who can advise them like what is the best saving schemes and what should be the right way to invest. And apart from that, BSF offer them a social tools where they can like calculate the simple interest. They want to calculate the compound interest or EMI, or there could be other tools so that they all can know about what would happen to the amount if they invested. So this is all the ecosystem is provided by the BSF Bank for bringing the young individuals, female or marginalized people to be part of the social banking.